Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is mastoidectomy. This topic of mastoidectomy we will cover in 4 different sections or parts. In the first, we will talk about the ear incision used for mastoidectomy, which can be endomeatal or transcanal approach, endaural approach, and also postural incision or Wilde's incision. So these are all the incisions used for the mastoidectomy. Then in the second section, we will talk about cortical mastoidectomy. What are the indications of cortical mastoidectomy? What type of anesthesia is used and what's the position of the patient for cortical mastoidectomy? What are the steps of operation for cortical mastoidectomy and post-operative care and complications? Then in the third section, we will talk about another type of mastoidectomy known as radical mastoidectomy, and again we will discuss the indications of radical mastoidectomy, anesthesia, position. Then we will talk about steps of operation of radical mastoidectomy, post-operative care and complication, and the third type is modified radical mastoidectomy, in which we will again talk about the steps of operation, post-operative care, complications, anesthesia, indication. All these things will be discussed again for the modified radical mastoidectomy. So in today's topic, we will talk about the different incisions used to perform mastoidectomy, then cortical mastoidectomy, radical mastoidectomy, and modified radical mastoidectomy. All these different types will be discussed in our today's topic of mastoidectomy. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn about this topic.